Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make 3 dishes in one recipe. Barbecue paneer tikka in 3 flavors. Spicy, cheesy and greeny paneer tikka in Hamare style. Now first we will prepare our small barbecue at home. Take paper, add some oil on it and place charcoal on above this paper. Spread evenly. Now lit up the paper. That's it. Once the charcoal will catch the fire, our barbecue will be ready in 25 to 30 minutes. You can see our charcoal become red hot now. Now first we will marinate paneer with a green paste. So for making green paste, take green chilies, mint leaves, coriander leaves, curd, and salt as per taste. Now make a smooth paste in a mixer like this. Wow! The smell of this paste is very nice. Now we will marinate our paneer with this paste. Mix them nicely. Keep it aside. Now next set of paneer we will add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt as per taste, and curd. Mix it nicely. Here is our spicy paneer. It's ready. Now keep it aside. Next we will make cheesy paste. For that, take some cheese, add mayonnaise sauce, add curd, add turmeric powder, add salt and white pepper powder. Now make a smooth paste in a mixer like this. Now here is our cheesy paste. It's ready. Now we will marinate our next set of paneer with this cheesy paste. Now let us prepare barbecue sticks. So take barbecue stick. Now first add sliced onion as we are doing here. Then add capsicum, tomato and our cheesy paneer. And follow the sequence again. Now finally close with the onion. Now our cheesy paneer tikka barbecue is ready to grill. Next we will prepare greeny paneer barbecue stick. So procedure is same. First add onion, capsicum, tomato and our greeny paneer. Follow the sequence and finally close with the onion. Now our greeny paneer tikka barbecue is also ready to grill. Next we will make spicy paneer barbecue stick. Now you know what to do. So wait, I will complete it soon. here it is ready to grill. Wow, look at that. It looks so beautiful. Spicy, cheesy and creamy paneer tikka sticks are ready. So let us grill them on barbecue. Keep on turning in between. Apply oil frequently. Keep patience and feel the aroma of barbecue. In maximum 20 to 25 minutes, it will be ready. Wow, you can see slowly it's getting cooked. Charcoal will give nice flavor to paneer tikka. Wow, you can see our cheesy paneer tikka is ready. So take it out. We will wait for other two. Oh, that's also cooked. Take it out. Awesome. It looks so beautiful. Our barbecue paneer tikka is ready. Now remove them from the sticks. Wow, amazing. Eat this spicy paneer tikka with a Szechuan sauce and cheesy paneer tikka with a mayonnaise sauce and creamy paneer tikka with a green chili sauce. I can't wait. I'm eating right now. So if you want to eat, then make it fast and tell me your feedback in a comment box. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications.